All right, guys, we're back at Great Bridge Lodge. Tonight is their open installation, which means friends, family, loved ones, Masons, everything. Everybody's here for my good friend, Montoya, who's going to be the Worshipful Master for 2026. Guys, I'm excited about this. However, this will be a short video. I'm going to warn you now, because looks like I'm taking pictures. Once you do some things social media wise, all of a sudden you become the photographer. So let's have some fun. Let's get some pictures going. Let's go.
Disposition to envy their preferment. I therefore trust that you will have one aim, to please each other and unite in the grand design of being happy and communicating happiness. Finally, my brethren, as this association has been formed and perfected in so much unanimity and concord, in which we greatly rejoice, so may it long continue. May you long enjoy every satisfaction and delight which disinterested friendship can afford. May kindness and brotherly affection distinguish your conduct as men and Masons. Within your peaceful walls, may your children's children celebrate with joy and gratitude the transactions of this auspicious solemnity. And may the tenets of our profession be transmitted through our lodge, pure and unimpaired, from generation to generation. Father Stelly Marshall, you will make the proclamation.
In the name of the most worshipful Grand Lodge of ancient free and accepted Masons of the Commonwealth of Virginia, I proclaim the officers of Great Bridge Lodge number 257 duly installed and the lodge properly constituted for the ensuing year. This proclamation I make to the south. This proclamation I make to the west. This proclamation I make to the east.